right, I got a fun one today. Big news. Diode Dynamics is doing a very rare sale on their website. A ton of stuff is for sale. I came up on these C1R tow hitch light, and I obviously have other lights already installed, but for this video I'm going to talk about this thing, which looks awesome to go in the tow hitch. It has a lot of different functionality too, and this light should be pretty freaking bright. Let's get it. Okay, well, of course, because this is a brand new platform, and not a lot of people have stuff specially built for the Ranger Raptor. Normally it just plugs right into this, but the challenge with us is that we got a full 33-inch spare right there. So you got to grab this toolkit, and this toolkit is right from back here. I just unstrapped it, pulled it out, and there is this clip right in there that you twist, pops out, and that's where you're gonna pull the spare tire from. So let's get this thing built. So it takes a little playing around, but you'll find it, you see it's a little bit of an angled slot, and if we look, the tire should be slowly going down. And once we get the spare down, we can install the C1R. All right, so you just need to lower the tire just a little bit and you get access to the back of the tow hook. So now let's get our light and get this puppy installed. It's a pretty easy process. Obviously, being Diode Dynamics comes with everything that you need. There's a couple different, oh nice, it comes with those too. Cool. This is power. Okay. And this is the tow hitch receiver. And one of these plugs into the back of the light, which would be this. Like that. So let's put this thing in. That's good. So these clips on the side go in sideways, so you can clip it in and out whenever you need to. Boom. So let's actually put the wire in first. Make sure it fits. Okay, this is why I do this stuff, so you guys don't have to struggle through it. So once you lower this tire and you get access to this hole back here to slide this wire in, the problem is these two back pieces, the little plastic black back pieces right here, they are too tall, so they won't fit in the hole. So you can either shave them down, or what I used, some scissors, and I just trimmed it a little bit. So now if we try, it should fit all the way through. There it goes. Boom. Now we got it all the way fitted. I'm gonna plug this into the light. Shouldn't affect it at all. It doesn't. Slide this in. Make sure you have those holes lined up properly. I do. And now we have to disconnect the tow hook and plug this in. So this is female. Let's match that up. There's one. And now this goes back in. This is just a cap. Gonna check everything that works and then we're gonna tidy it all up. Should be good. Look at that. So I turn on the brake lights. Oh, I slid that way too far back. There we go. Look at that. That's legit. And there you have a legitimately third brake light. And this should also work with brake lights. So this is just the lights on, as you can see. Let's see how it looks with the brake lights on. One thing to note on how to have this set up, this big piece at the end right here is the part that goes in that you twist. I spent a couple minutes, I had it built all weird. These things are always a little weird, and you do this little, press this button to get this piece out. It's another reason why I want a chase rack. Imagine doing that on the trail. No, thank you. Put it in and twist it. Oh, now it's locked in. There it is. Amazing. Amazing.